I hope you have seen how a missile is tracking an enemy aircraft. Once it is propelled, it always tracks which direction the aircraft is moving, what speed it is moving, and the other parameters using the sensors in it. So we human beings are also having plenty of sensors within us. I call it subconscious mind. So best thing for activating the sensors is to set a target score. So if you are having a target score in KCET, let's say you want to have 1000 below rank. To be very specific, you want to have 140 out of 180 in KCET and 295 out of 300 in PU boards exam. Your target is set. Let's go back to the example of missile tracking the aircraft. So missile, once it is propelled, it goes in one direction, then the aircraft is changing the direction, it again. So it's a data input, right? It again changes the direction, then aircraft moves in different direction, changes the speed. Again, this makes the adjustment. I call it servo mechanism. This missile is getting data input. Similarly, when you are preparing for KCET exams and when you are setting a target score, you need maximum data inputs to do the course correction. So use target score today. Then after a week, you are writing your mock test. You will analyze your result based on your goal. Then you make some course corrections. Maybe you have to improve speed, maybe you have to improve accuracy. Done this consistently over a period. The more data inputs you have, the more mock test you appear, you will be finally reaching very close to your target. And that is the key. Set the target today, which is very important, and give maximum input for your subconscious mind by doing maximum mock papers or practice tests. You will definitely reach your goal.